Hello everybody, my name is Philip Blake from the Phil Blake Moss channel, and on today, I'll be doing a quick review on Thomas & Friends Adventures. This is the Steelworks Hurricane from the movie Journey Beyond Sodor. Yeah. Now, I think I almost have all of the Steelworks engines. Like, I have Merlin, Theo, and Frankie, and now I have Hurricane. And I wonder if there's like a Lexi one. I think I might have seen Thomas Friends Adventures Lexi. If you've seen the Thomas Friends Adventures Lexi anywhere, let me know down in the comments. Anyways, let's get down to this unboxing. Huh. There we go. Oh. There we are. And here we have Hurricane. I like to make the back coupler look like this. So let's look at the details. Here's the wheels. The wheels work. Here's the nameplate that says Hurricane. I don't know if you guys can see. You can barely see it. It's like small. Here's the top. Here's the front. Here's the other side. And he's engine number 20. And here is the back. Yeah, this is a pretty nice die-cast engine. Yeah, there's also like a Trackmaster Hurricane. Yep. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me, folks. See you all next time. Bye.